For purposes of demonstration, we shall be cutting mild steel plate of 10 millimeter thickness and using an 18 TPI HSS blade of popular make. Wherever possible, your work should be firmly secured into a vise. Position your work in such a way that the piece to be cut off is level and clear of the vise jaws, but as close as possible to prevent vibration when cutting. Make a starting slot onto the edge of your work and on the waist side of your cutting line. Your thumb is used to guide the blade. The blade must always be kept at 90 degrees to the work. The starting slot acts as a guide for beginning the cut and prevents the blade from slipping off the mark. Grasp the saw in both hands, keeping the fingers inside the handle, and the other fingers around the front of the frame. Try and maintain a balanced position with your feet slightly apart. Let your arms do the work of moving the saw. Use the full length of the blade and give a light downward pressure only on the forward strokes. Cutting occurs only on the forward movement of the blade. Cut at a speed of around 60 forward strokes per minute for most materials, including mild steel. As you cut, keep your eye on the cutting line to make sure the cut is going straight. Now, all this takes a little practice, which is what you should now go and do, using your own saw in your own workplace, after which you will learn some other practical tips in hacksawing.